Japanese luxury brand has given an LC convertible the green light. Even better news, an LCF performance model is still on the table. An official spokeswoman said, "The Lexus LC Sports Coupe is a terrific addition to our lineup and derivatives of the LC would be an exciting opportunity for us, but we have nothing to announce at this time." It's harder to read what we might get in an LCF. Gossip is that the naturally aspirated, 467 horsepower, 5.0-liter V8 wouldn't be the right motor for a hot LC. That V8 serves in lower-tier F models. So word is that Lexus engineers are considering a 4.0-liter, twin-turbo V8 with around 600 horsepower. Lexus chose the BMW 650i, Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe, and Jaguar F-Type as competitors to the LC, all of which have convertibles and high-performance trims. Among the specially tuned challengers, the Jaguar F-Type R comes in with the lowest power figure at 550 horsepower. Lexus hasn't offered a convertible since the SC, which ended production after the 2015 model year, and the SC before it that ended its run after 2010. Lexus originally engineered the RC Coupe as a convertible as well, but the brand canned the drop top in 2014 to focus on more popular vehicle segments, crossover. Both models would return Lexus to a small, exclusive end of the market where it hasn't held a membership since 2010. Rejoining that soiree is another huge, and costly, step toward shedding Lexus' somnolent image.